How to get Snapchat chat history. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to get Snapchat chat history. Now open your Snapchat, go to profile. After I open profile like this, go to settings. After I come to settings, scroll all the way to down, go to my data. Under my data, now allow it to finish loading. After it finish loading, now scroll to down, turn on this option. So after I turn on this option, now here is the size of your data. Scroll to down and choose only the data, the chat history that you want to export. Here is it, as you can see now, chat history, this one. So uncheck this one and leave this one. Uncheck all the rest. So after you uncheck all this one, now leave only the chat history. Now tap on this next. So from this option, now you can go and choose the range of dates. You can choose last week, last year, or all time. Just go ahead and choose a date. After you choose a specific date, now scroll to down. In this section, now add your email address. I'll just go ahead and type in my email address. So as you can see now, here is the email address I gave them. So all you have to do now, you can tap on this submit button. So as you can see now, here it says selected data included 1. Choose data range. I confirm my email address. So now they will send me email address through the email address I gave them. So I will follow a link in the email address to go and download my chats from Snapchat. That's it guys on how to download or how to save Snapchat chat history. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.